A semi-outdoor kitchen represents a refined balance between indoor comfort and outdoor freedom. Unlike fully enclosed kitchens or completely open outdoor cooking areas, a semi-outdoor kitchen occupies a transitional space that allows natural air, light, and views while still offering protection from weather and maintaining a sense of privacy. This design concept has gained popularity in modern homes, particularly in warm and tropical climates, where daily life naturally extends beyond interior walls. With thoughtful planning and design, a semi-outdoor kitchen can become one of the most functional and visually appealing areas of a home. Understanding the semi-outdoor kitchen concept. A semi-outdoor kitchen is typically located adjacent to the main house and partially open to the outdoors. It may feature a roof or pergola, one or more open sides, and structural elements that provide shelter without fully enclosing the space. This layout allows for natural ventilation and daylight while protecting the kitchen from rain, direct sun, and wind. The key characteristic of a semi-outdoor kitchen is flexibility. It adapts to changing weather conditions and supports various activities, from everyday cooking to entertaining guests. This adaptability makes it suitable for families who value both comfort and a close connection to nature. Benefits of a semi-outdoor kitchen. One of the primary advantages of a semi-outdoor kitchen is improved airflow. Natural ventilation helps dissipate heat, smoke, and cooking odors, creating a cooler and more pleasant environment. This reduces the reliance on mechanical ventilation and air conditioning, making the space more energy efficient. Natural light is another significant benefit. Daylight enhances visibility and creates a welcoming atmosphere. It also highlights textures, materials, and greenery, making the kitchen feel more alive and dynamic. Additionally, a semi-outdoor kitchen encourages a relaxed lifestyle, allowing cooking and dining to become more social and enjoyable experiences. Ideal layouts for semi-outdoor kitchens. Choosing the right layout is essential for functionality and comfort. Linear layouts work well for narrow or compact spaces, placing cooking, preparation, and washing areas along a single wall. This arrangement keeps the space organized and efficient. L-shaped layouts offer greater flexibility and are ideal for larger semi-outdoor kitchens. They allow for better workflow while leaving room for a dining or seating area. U-shaped layouts provide maximum countertop space and are suitable for homes that frequently host gatherings. Regardless of layout, maintaining clear circulation paths ensures that the kitchen remains comfortable and easy to use. Material selection for durability and style. Materials play a crucial role in semi-outdoor kitchens due to exposure to humidity, heat, and occasional rain. Durable, weather-resistant materials ensure longevity without compromising aesthetics. Stone, concrete, stainless steel, and treated wood are commonly used for countertops and cabinetry. Flooring should be slip-resistant and easy to maintain. Natural stone, textured tiles, or polished concrete are practical choices that also enhance visual appeal. Finishes in neutral or earthy tones help the kitchen blend seamlessly with its outdoor surroundings. Integrating nature into the design. One of the defining features of a semi-outdoor kitchen is its relationship with nature. Incorporating greenery through potted plants, vertical gardens, or nearby landscaping strengthens this connection. Plants not only enhance aesthetics, but also contribute to a cooler and more refreshing environment. Water elements, such as small fountains or ponds nearby, can further elevate the ambience by introducing soothing sounds and visual interest. The goal is to create a space where cooking feels connected to the natural environment rather than isolated from it. Furniture and dining areas. A semi-outdoor kitchen often doubles as a dining and social space. Selecting appropriate furniture is essential for comfort and durability. Tables and chairs made from weather-resistant materials such as treated wood, metal, or synthetic wicker are ideal. Furniture design should complement the overall style of the kitchen. Clean lines and simple forms suit modern or minimalist homes, while natural textures work well in rustic or tropical settings. Comfortable seating encourages longer gatherings and makes the kitchen a true extension of the living space. Lighting for day and night use. Effective lighting ensures that the semi-outdoor kitchen remains functional after sunset. A layered lighting approach works best. Task lighting illuminates cooking and preparation areas, while ambient lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Pendant lights, wall-mounted fixtures, or recessed lighting can be used depending on the structure of the space. Warm light tones are generally preferred, as they enhance comfort and highlight natural materials. Proper lighting also adds a sense of safety and usability during evening hours. Protection from weather and insects. While semi-outdoor kitchens embrace openness, protection from the elements is essential. Roof structures, pergolas, or retractable awnings provide shade and shelter from rain. Adjustable screens or sliding panels can be added to control wind and insects without fully enclosing the space. These features increase the usability of the kitchen throughout the year and allow homeowners to adapt the space according to weather conditions. Thoughtful design ensures that openness does not compromise comfort, creating a seamless transition from indoors to outdoors. A successful semi-outdoor kitchen feels like a natural extension of the home. Consistent flooring, complementary color palettes, and aligned architectural elements help create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Large openings or sliding doors between the indoor kitchen and semi-outdoor space enhance connectivity and circulation. This integration supports a cohesive living experience and allows the kitchen to function as a central hub for both daily life and special occasions. Conclusion: a balanced and inviting living space. Semi-outdoor kitchen ideas offer a compelling solution for homeowners seeking a harmonious blend of comfort, functionality, and natural connection. By carefully considering layout, materials, lighting, and protection, a semi-outdoor kitchen can become a versatile and inviting space that enhances everyday living. This design approach celebrates openness without sacrificing practicality. It encourages a lifestyle where cooking, dining, and social interaction flow effortlessly between indoors and outdoors. Ultimately, a well-designed semi-outdoor kitchen transforms routine activities into enriching experiences, making the home feel more expansive, relaxed, and connected to its environment.